Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I want to do my first project in English lesson, that is the reviewing book. But before that, I want to introduce myself first. My name is Navalida Saputra. You can call me Noval. I am from 8th grade, expect for XC class. Okay. What a book that I want to review, that's How Children Success. The author is Paul Tau, published on 2012, and the genre is education and psychology. So, why this book is right by Paul Talk? Because Paul Talk is respond to the modern education that is too much focus to exam. Because of that, the child is too focused with the grades on the paper. Yeah, they not going the soft skill that like critical thinking, problem solving, make decision, uh, public speaking, and self control. So this book, why I choose this book for reviewing for English project. Yeah. So except the because the other book is already get used by my friend. Uh, the other is this because I get interest for the cover of this book. Yeah, How Children is Success. Okay, the about this book is the Paul Talk is explain that success in children is not only about intelligence, not only great academic achievement. That's important, but there's others the important same important too, like before, yeah, soft skill, uh, and then traits, going out traits, and then uh, what your mental, your, yeah, your character and other else. Yeah. So the main ideas in this book, that is the first is success not only about intelligence, is important, but there's something else that important too. There's resilience, grit, soft skill, and then self control, and then your character, mentality, and your adapt. Yeah, skill for adapting in your environment. The second is environment success. The family, the teacher, and your play friend in your school that can affect to you. If your friend is not good, yeah, maybe usually is bullying, mocking others, you can be affect like that, yeah, with a bullying. But if your friend is good, just playing, and then have good grades and have good critical thinkings, you can be affect that's like them, yeah, but not same. And your family, that's the important because they always in your side, that can be affect your going and other. The teacher too, if the teacher is not uh, good when he teaching, or they teaching, you can just like, if not enjoyable, so the lesson just pass, not enter your brain, yeah, not enter your brain. And failure help children go the thought. This that now my based on my experience, yeah, parents don't want to the child is failure but good, but this not in the children, yeah. This I read this book, yeah, just making mistake, this are normally, yeah, so they can learn from the mistake and adapt how that's be good to after with that mistake. There is quotes that the best teacher is your based on your experience, yeah. Because of that, there is point that I choose for main ideas. Okay. The fourth ideas is stress affect the learning and behavior. Okay. Behavior, yeah, the habits, yeah, and the learning. Stress will choose the main topics in this point. So stress or depression that can be affect to your healthy learning and behavior. If you stress, you can be mood swing. You memorizing, your brain is not good for memorizing. Yeah, does not can get your the lesson. And if that the healthy, your immune, your white cell, white blood cell is not uh, work effective. Because of that, uh, you cannot you can be search for your happiness like doing your hobby, playing games, playing football, basketball, badminton, and others. Yeah, for refresh your mind, support build defense. Yeah, this same like the second point that before. Yeah, the adults guide that support them. So this not like uh, push, but that's guide, and you must do this, and do this. Don't you like push them like you want to? Okay. The strength or the advantage of this book is based on the research. Yeah. This book does not uh, talk about the opinion, but this have the research. Yeah, research studies, real cases, example, not just opinion. Okay. Yes. That's can we see in the country is Finland. Yeah. They not focus to the exam. They use environment to explain about the lesson to their children, they student. Yeah. High relevant to education. Nah, this can be in student, teacher, and parents. Yeah. This can be read by these three teams: student, teacher, and parents. For the student, yeah, you can do like know what you must to go, like do a soft skill and other. And teacher can maybe can improve their teaching skill, and parents can support their child what they want. But if not good, you don't support. Okay, focus on the character, yeah, not just grades in on top of paper, not just focus and exam focus, but the character focus too, the balancing. Okay, so intelligence and soft skill and other day that I say before is must get balance, uh, get a balance. So that's not the have high differences. Yeah. Okay. The weaknesses in this book, yeah, there's limited practice step. There's like how not always how to build, but they say how to build not by step. Yeah. That's the weaknesses. Yeah. They can just how to build, but not step by step. Okay. The the second part is some part are complex. Yeah. There's a have heavy heavy sentence that student maybe cannot read with they mean in that books. Yeah. The third is not a quick motivational book. There's a long term reading, long term understanding, not instant tips. That's yeah, like that. And then the conclusion of this presentation, the how children success is a good for you that want to uh, soft skill, going soft skill, or that you before that you to focus an exam, yeah, that's in Apple, and then this can be a long term book. That's because I'm not read full. I just read a quarter of this book. So I search the rating in the community. That's a 4.3 per 5. Okay, that's before I research the price of this book. The in Indonesian in online shop, yeah. There's 80 to 300 300,000 rupiah, yeah. Okay, I think that's all for me. I'm sorry if I've a lot of mistake. As I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Tuh.